Good morning, homeroom math class. I wanted to give you a quick update for our asynchronous learning sessions today. A few things. I'm going to update grades into Infinite Campus this morning, afternoon kind of thing. That's the plan, which means I don't want anybody's weekend ruined because you have low scores. We don't want that to happen. So, what do you need to make sure is turned in? ALEKS Spiral Review number 2, your interactive notebook, your real number sort, and the ALEKS integers assignment that I gave you yesterday. Next, I am going to open up my Zoom office hours throughout most of the morning and most of the afternoon. If you need anything at all, you can log into that session and I'll be there. I can help you. I can answer any questions, whatever you need. Okay? It's not required that you log into that Zoom session, but it's open and available if you need it. From there, this is our weekly drawing for math for our $4 Amazon gift card. As you can see, there are multiple entries. These are your initials. I know everybody who they are. So basically, entries were decided upon who has logged into class every morning. And then from there, who had participation points in yesterday's activity. So here are all the entries. And here goes the drawing. The winner is Rihanna Jackson. So Rihanna, I think you've done it before, but I don't know that I saved your personal email. I'm working on compiling a spreadsheet, so you don't have to keep giving me that. But shoot me your personal email. I would just email it to my Columbus account, and then I'll send out that $4 Amazon gift card to you at some point later today. Okay? So again, if you need any help at all, my office hour Zoom sessions will be open and running. This is just an update as to what you should be working on throughout the rest of today. I hope you all have a great weekend. I'll see you Monday morning. All right, stay safe, everybody.